Welcome. In this session of map location, let's talk about some of the important locations which were in news. So first is the Nimlapadu village, which lies in the Vizhinjam district in Andhra Pradesh. Now this is important because here the tribal communities gave the slogan "Go Back," and that is when the legal battle was won against the state versus a private company to save the mining of the calcite reserves which were present. Now Vizhinjam is also known for handicrafts, wooden toys and kalamkari painting. The next is Tawang in Arunachal Pradesh. We have talked about it a lot of time before as well, and this is one of the most important monasteries of Buddhism. Tawang means the chosen horse, and the other name is Galden Nemse Lahaste, which is basically the paradise in a clear night. The next is Kodagu district in Karnataka. Now, this is known for coffee, its natural beauty in the region of Western Ghats, and called as brave warriors. Now, this is one of the basic areas where ethno-linguistic group which is known as Kodavas live, and it is the home for the Kodava speakers. Now this is a region where the harvest festival of Puthuri is celebrated. The next is Bagalkot district in Karnataka. Now here black soil is present and cotton cultivation is done. Here Hyder Ali of Mysore, Marathas and Vijayanagar kings came during different periods and is known for its rich legacy. The next is Kodarma district in Jharkhand, known for mica, the mining of the mica, and this was called as mica capital of India long back ago. It is also known for one of the wildlife sanctuaries here. Besides mica, quartz, feldspar, asbestos, blue stone, white stone and moonstone are found here. Panchmari hill station in Madhya Pradesh lies in the Nardapuram district, and this is also known as the Panchmari cantonment. Panch means five, Mari means cave. So 5 caves, or it is also called as Satpura ki Rani or the Queen of Satpura, known for the Satpura Biosphere Reserve as well. The next is Piplantri village in Rajsamand. Here, when a girl child is born, 111 trees are planted, and so far there are more than 3 lakh trees in this region, which includes neem, shisham, mango, amla and others. Rajsamand is also known for marble mining and is one of the largest marble producing districts in India. Manammudurai in Shivaganga district in Tamil Nadu is important. This is known for pottery and making of quality clay using the water bodies nearby. Vegai river flows through this, and this has received recently a GI tag and therefore is a really important place. It is also known for mineral deposits located nearby. The next is Hamirpur district in Uttar Pradesh, lying between the Yamuna and the Betwa river. It is also known for the monastery which was built using the granite rocks, and this is an area which has recently been used because of sand mining. Kodaikanal in Dindigulu district in Tamil Nadu is known as the princess of the hill stations, known for trees like eucalyptus, cypress and acacia. This is also known for iron logs and iron manufacturing, leather tanning as another major industry. So those are some of the important topics that we have discussed today. We'll be coming up with many interesting topics with your geography optional as we proceed. So prepare well, and those who are preparing your optional can send in your answers for evaluation. We are doing a regular evaluation of the test series, so feedbacks would be provided to you regularly. Thanks for joining in today.